This green solid is FeSO4. FeSO4 is known as iron 2 sulfate, where the 2 is in Roman numerals in brackets, okay, iron 2 sulfate. And that's the formula, and it's a green solid. And when I dissolve this in water, this is now saturated iron 2 sulfate, because there are excess iron 2 sulfate solid inside. So this is saturated, which I took a little bit, and you find that we dilute with water, it is greenish right now. It is greenish. Okay, I want you to put some sodium hydroxide inside. Some, yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, you get some precipitate, right? Can you see the precipitate? What's the color of the precipitate? Green. Greenish, it's jelly-like. So we call it gelatinous precipitate. Can you see? Alright, now this precipitate is important. I let this precipitate come into contact with air here at the top. I let it come in contact with air, and in a moment you will find that it changes color, a little bit to what color?
Bluish?
No, this one?
Yellowy.
Yeah, yellowish or rusty brown. It's brown in color. If I leave it for some time inside here, you will find that it will be oxidized to iron 3 hydroxide. Right now the green one is called iron 2 hydroxide. Iron 2 hydroxide will be Fe bracket OH bracket 2. Is it? There, iron 2 hydroxide. And this brown one is iron 3 hydroxide. Can you see it's turning brown now? So that is iron 3 hydroxide. Now, I think I produced some iron 3 hydroxide here, iron 3 sulfate here. And let's see what is the color if I put iron 3 sulfate. Iron 3 sulfate solution is brownish compared to the greenish iron 2 sulfate solution. Okay? Now you try to put some sodium hydroxide in, and let's see what color. Oh, it's still green. So it's not so good, but you find that this one quite quickly turn to brown. Actually, there are some brown precipitate inside. Can you see the brown precipitate? So which means that solution has both iron 2 and iron 3 sulfate, so that it produces iron 3 hydroxide, which is brown, and iron 2 hydroxide, which is greenish. It produces two. So can you see now that this is a brown precipitate. A brown precipitate like this is the same as the brown precipitate like that. It's called iron 3 hydroxide. Okay? And because iron is a transition metal, your compound of iron will always be colored. In fact, rust is iron 2 hydroxide, iron 3 hydroxide mixed together. plus some iron oxide, iron 2 oxide and iron 3 oxide, and that is rust. Okay? There you are. Okay? We will show you the next one where we try to precipitate copper 2 hydroxide. Copper 2 hydroxide, we expect it to be blue. Like we've seen it before, copper 2 hydroxide is blue. Thank you.